Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna start today's track vlog at RSR. Hopefully you can hear me over the music in the background, but here to pick up the F80. It's all ready to go. Let me show you what we did change since our last track day. So this is my second oil cooler I've gone through. This one just seems to be super plugged up, gunked up. Fins maybe not be working, but we can't be sure right now. What we can do is go ahead and take it to the track and see what happens. Luckily for us, Laguna Seca is super cool outside. Let's see if you can see it. Laguna Seca is super cool outside. 66 is supposed to be the high this weekend, so we'll have perfect temps, and I don't think heating will be an issue at all. Headed to Seca. Just pulled into San Luis Obispo, headed to Morro Bay.
Use Marvin though, use Marvin. Like, you push it to over. He knows his vehicle.
It's a Monterey right now. Beautiful. Love it here. Perfect weather. Nice and cool NorCal weather. It's awesome. Beautiful scenery. We're out here at 17 Mile Road in Pebble Beach. It's always beautiful.
Go to the bathroom, literally. I'm still home 30 minutes. Would never use a public bathroom.
Made it. Heading over to the paddock right now to go set up. I still gotta get gas. I gotta flash the car. What else? Swap tires. So quite a bit to do. But we got an hour to knock it out. It's not a big deal, and we'll be ready for session 1. So, yeah, I will check back in a sec. Danny's here for the apparel. The merch.
The merch.
With the new Apex SM10s on it. Fucking clean.
You up? Huh? You out yet?
No, I'm not going out today.
Oh, okay.
just got done with the first session. Toby, how'd it go?
We have fuel starvation issues.
Toby was in front of me on the outlap. You'll probably see him almost wreck his shit.
Yeah, I get it.
But you were having fuel starvation issues, huh?
Yeah, so like halfway through on turn, well, not even halfway. Is that halfway? Turn 4, right?
Turn 4 being...
The second right-hander on Laguna Seca.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Because the way BMWs are,
Yeah.
the fuel pump's on one side,
Yeah.
the fuel jumps to the other side,
And then that's it.
and then that whole back straight, you don't have any power, so...
Yeah, and I had the same issue happen too. As soon as I hit a quarter tank, same turn, that straight, you get that fuel starvation and then you lose power. It kills your lap.
Yeah.
It may be only like a split second of fuel starvation, but it drops you so back down in speed that your lap's done.
No, well, mine, when it does that,
Yeah.
not only cuts out that little power, but it also puts the car into a semi-protection mode
Yeah.
for the rest of the lap until I cycle the power again.
Yeah.
So I have to pull into the pits, cycle it, and then... But we'll see. I think there's still a little bit of E in there.
Yeah.
So with that being in there, you know, E's more volume. You need more volume of E, so we're going to wash that out and then put 100 in it.
Okay.
See if I can keep up with you.
I'm running a 138.8, predicted 137. I got caught up in some traffic at the corkscrew and that fucked it all up. Toby, what are you running?
I did a 39, but yesterday when we were doing sighting laps, just
Yeah.
to see how the Super's doing here at Laguna, we put down a legitimate 37.
Yeah.
So today at
With
39,
the
I was
30,
like, what the heck?
35 or 36?
Correct, yeah.
So this car's gonna be fucking moving. G80 is currently in second place after today. Mr. Bailey Woods over there set down a 37.9 and an E36 M3. That's fucking insane.
Yeah.
So you gonna try and top that?
We're gonna just try and top it just to see, you know, because we're here, might as well throw it down.
Yeah.
But Bailey worked really hard to get that time, so and luckily we don't have a timer.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna use our Garmin and then see what
times.
happens. Yeah.
We'll see.
No, like, you could have came out of that turn sooner if it wasn't for him.
Oh my god, a truck car, bro. Oh fuck.
Flip it.
Session 2 was worse. Ran a 39 flat with fucking terrible traffic. And then a tow truck came on and had to tow somebody, and he stopped on the apex of turn 5. So that kind of fucked everything. But other than that, car's running good. It's been good so far. I love this track. It's always a good time, even though we're stuck in traffic half the fucking time, which is shitty. You know, the track is still amazing. So hopefully I'm not getting drowned out by that radical over there, but yeah, keep you guys updated. Overall, I think we're in P1, so we'll see. Randy's driving the B1 Supra for Bimmer Challenge. Yeah. Have fun, sir.
Yeah.
So we got 2 sessions left. Jason, what's your PB on today?
143.22.
143.22, first time here. Casey, what's your PB? 46. A 46 flat. 46 flat. Austin, what's your shit?
58.
48.
48.
We're gonna have a talk.
There's a lot of disappointment around right now.
Yeah.
Jason's like the closest one.
Yeah. All right, guys, so I'm here riding with Akshay. I gave him my last session of the day. My brake pads are completely down to the rotors, so yeah, getting home is going to be interesting. But overall, we won P1. I'll show you guys the trophy here in a sec. It was a great time here. We got all the homies lined up right now in front and back, and we're going to all ride out together one last session and have a good time. So, yeah, it'll be interesting. Oh, it's the left more. Fuck. Just finished up, helped Coach Akshay to a 45-1. I hope you guys can see that. But I pulled it off. overall, it was a freaking amazing weekend. Still got some pizza to get after this and some beer. So we're not done yet. And it was a great time here at Laguna Seca. Weather has been perfect all weekend. And can't wait to come back, man. Honestly, such a good track. Such an amazing facility. So dope. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, Casey. Bye, Elk. Bye, Jason.